Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage permissions in the Temu app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the U menu, then tap on settings in the top right corner, and here at the top we have permissions. We tap on this, and then here we have a list of all the permissions that the app can ask for. So for example, it can access our camera, and if we give it permission to access our camera, it will be able to do that. If we have done this, as in we gave permission for it to access our camera, but we made up our mind and we want to take it away, we can do it here, just by tapping on one of these, and if it's turned on, we can turn it off here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.